How are you? Aw. So talk to me. Hey, Gordo. You ready to go bye-bye today? You are, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're ready to go bye-bye. Yes, you are. You're ready to go bye-bye. That's okay. That's good. That's what we want for you. Do 360 around Gordo. You're cute. We love you. Let's see. You want one of these? We already had a bunch, huh? We already had like 6 just now. Here. One other? Okay. Aw. Look back here. Aww. 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 You're a good boy. Stretch. It's interesting how he puts his leg over his wing to scratch his head. Unlike, my parrots, they just reach up in front of their wing. He reaches behind his wing. Interesting. And now he's going after my earlobes and my hair. Yeah. We love you, little boy. Aww. Aww. Talk. Say hello. That's the camera, all right. Aw. We love you, Gordo.